Hey everyone, it's a blizzard of 2018, March 2nd. Trying to go home from work early. It's 3 o'clock. Been stuck in the snow on the on-ramp for about, I don't know, half hour now. I'm not going anywhere fast, so I might be sleeping here tonight. So we're into like the, I don't know, third hour or so of being stuck in the blizzard in the car. Tried to get a friend from work to help me, but I can't get through to him. I think the cell towers are maxed out, so I'm only able to text my family at the moment. I think they're gonna try to hop in the van and come get me. It's going on 5 o'clock now. I'll let you take a look outside. All right, we're gonna open the window here. And it's flying in the car like, yeah, there we go. Nice blizzard. Well, that guy made it. Get the same kind of car. I'm back for another little update. I'm trying to reach people via phone and it's not working. Thankfully text is still working, but all the phone lines are down. Nobody can get a hold of anybody. And tried calling the State Farm to get me towed. I knew that was pointless when you have a blizzard like this. They said, I don't know, they tried to call me. They said something like 3 hours, but then they said something about code black or something, and they were going to call the police and then something, but I'm not counting on anybody coming out here. If my family can make it, good. If not, I'll sleep in my car, I guess. Anyways, if I have an update, I'll get back. Bye. All right, I almost forgot. I gotta go check and see if there's any snow built up on my exhaust pipe. So if I leave the heat running, I could die. So let's go check it out real quick. There's all the other people that are stuck. Same situation I am. Trying everything he can to get out. Looks like he's gonna make it.
No, I can't tell if it's on or not. Now this is where you start rocking back and forth.
Can you even get out of our driveway?
Without turning the wheels. Without turning the wheels.
No way.
Straighten them up.
Oh man.
Your four-wheel drive ain't on. I can tell you right now it's not.
This is our attempt
Tip
plan
said
to
it was
rescue Rick,
automatic.
but we can't even get out of the driveway. Oh no. Sorry, Rick, we're trying.
Well, yeah,
Still stuck in the driveway, so
yeah.
gotta shovel snow. Still stuck.
Okay,
We're so close.
open the
We're
tailgate
like
again,
an inch
please.
away from getting out of the driveway.
Getting dark. There's other people outside trying to help. Nobody's able to get unstuck. They're trying. And my family is at the house still. They can't even get the van out. They're trying to rescue me. I keep telling them no. I keep telling them, don't worry about it. I'm fine. I'll just sleep here. But they keep insisting. They're trying to dig themselves out. It's like, I don't know. There goes a snowplow and a cop. Be nice to come over here, plow us out. There's a tow truck. Oh, it'd be nice if they were coming this way. Oh well. Get back with you later.
God, you're on the road.
Yay, made it.
Yes.
I don't know if it's good either because I slid and it went. I mean,
Well, just you got to take it very, very slow. You cannot go fast. Don't get to the edge of the road. Just stay in the middle.
We're coming, Rex. On our way.
wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I know you feel for people, but it's like
Okay.
it's not good.
Okay.
And I drive in snow.
Yeah,
I'm not scared,
Right.
but it's almost not passable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting us know.
Don't let that deter you. Let's go.
So we're trying to rescue somebody that's on 380 and
You can't get to them.
You can't?
380 is closed, north and south.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
Do they even know? They don't even know this happened.
Whoa.
there's not been any cars through here. Them guys driving the truck. Well, if they come back, they're liable to go ahead and push it out of the way.
This just happened.
That's a nice tree too. So we just got home, and as much as we tried, unfortunately, we could not get Rick because the roads were closed, so there was no way for us to get to him. So I know he'll be okay, but I'm still worried about him, and I cried a little bit. We went to the nearest gas station. Our phones weren't working. I had to borrow someone else's phone and called him, and hopefully he doesn't run out of battery because he said his charger wasn't working, and hopefully he doesn't run out of gas either. And I think he can walk to a gas station or something if he needs to, so he should be fine. But I'm still really sad that he's gonna have to be stuck out there for the night. And yeah.
Well, just so y'all know, I've got no way to charge my phone, and the roads are all closed. No one can get to me, so it looks like I'll be staying in here tonight. And I don't have any food. I do have a bottle of water, so that's good. And I've got some gloves and this thing to stay warm, so if you see this footage, you know I'm okay, and I got to my computer and I uploaded this to YouTube, so Alright, so the guy next to me in another car, he's got a full tank of gas. He said I could stay in his car if I needed to stay warm. My car's got less than a quarter tank. I've got communications. My phone still works. So he was able to contact his family, which is really, really good. So he was able to relieve his girlfriend or whoever's mind. So we're gonna help each other out and tag team this thing overnight. Maybe hungry, but gonna survive this blizzard. Bah. Finally home. Thanks to Chappie here and Family of Life. They saved me. It's 6 in the morning. I guess that was about 18 hours trapped. So thanks, people. Thanks. And bah.
So Rick finally made it back home. It was after 6 a.m. in the morning, right?
Yeah.
I don't think we went to bed till like 6:30. I didn't sleep at all. I stayed up till Rick finally got home. And how did you finally make it home, Rick?
So like 5 snowplows had passed me and the other guy. Let's back up a little bit. There's a guy in another car that was stuck a few feet away from me, and he was on the ramp. But he had plenty of gas, like tons. And he invited me to come stay in his car to kind of snooze, I guess, because my car was almost out of gas. But I also had a phone charger cable that he could charge his phone and communicate with his family, so we were able to help each other out. But a plow came by, and I told him, I said, flash your brights, that guy's just driving by.
and then the snow plows just keep going. They were ignoring the bypass. They were ignoring all that stuff, and they came and they partially dug us out and put some sand under our tires and let us borrow a shovel, and in the process they buried my car, but we were able to get out in his car and able to take the interstate and get all the way to the town that I live in, and then my family came and picked me up. But so we're really thankful for the plow guy because he didn't have to do that. He got us out. I heard other people at work, they were there until like 10 or noon the next day on Saturday. But yeah, it was kind of a rough night. The guy was like playing sort of like techno pop or something, and the volume was kind of up, and sometimes it got too hot. But I was still really thankful to have a warm place to be instead of freezing in my car. It was no food or anything. And then we got to this gas station, hung out there for a while, and got a sub sandwich, and it was really good. And I got a big Coke. It was delicious. And then the guy that I was with, he left, and then that's when my family came and got me. Went home, went to sleep. Glad to be back. And we didn't lose power because we have underground power cables here.
Yeah, a lot of people lose lost power all around us.
People still don't have
So
power.
we were lucky.
Yeah, super lucky, super thankful.
Yep. So that was what, 18 hours?
18 hours
Trapped
stranded.
in a car.
But I had cell phone service, and yeah, so it wasn't that bad. And if anyone's asking about, well, I had a creative way for going to the bathroom.
You don't need to share that.
I won't share it, but I had a creative way. If anyone was wondering.
About that. No one's wondering.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, so, yeah, that was crazy. So, yep, I guess, is that all?
Yep.
Alright, that's it.
Bye.